This is Cynthia. Welcome back to my channel. For today, I'm going to unbox a parcel I received from GRS. So, ano kaya? So, let's try to find out. I'm going to use a screwdriver because I don't have a hammer. So, I think this will do. I don't have a scissors also. So, I'm just going to make it at this one because I can see there are wooden parts in the parcel to keep this protected. I don't know what's this, but I can see that there is a marking here. It says marble. So I think this is something made out of marble. I'm very happy and excited for today. I just don't know how long it will take to unbox this one because it is well packed, and I think I will find it hard to unbox this one. Okay, here it is. I'm going to start at the back. I don't know where this came from, but it says there it's from RSU. RSU, I think, is Romblon State University. I joined in the accreditation team to accredit one of the programs, the BE program. So I think this is from them. This came from them, from the university. And I would like to take the opportunity to thank also the people behind this. I'm excited. Oh, so hard to unbox. I should have brought scissors or something like a cutter. Okay. Actually, this arrived in Catalogan City, but I am residing here in Tacloban. So I let my younger sister, Best Country, subscribe to her channel to get this for me. Thank you, Biscan. God bless you. I'm so excited. I think I'm going to just use this one, the screwdriver to. It's almost done. You have to be careful not to destroy what is inside. Okay, there you are. There you are. Okay, I can almost see it. I can almost remove this one. Almost. Okay. Okay. Ouch. Be careful, careful. Okay, there you are. And oh, I can see it here. So I think I have to remove one more wood here. Hard. What's this? It's hard to unbox this one. I don't know where to start. Okay. One side, the back side, everything will be opened already. We can already get the parcel inside. Oops. Oh, it's not working. I might destroy the whole thing. Oh, there you are. I can almost see it. I can almost see it. Oh, yes! Oh. Oh, it's a certificate. OMG. Sorry. It's my certificate of recognition. Thank you, Romblon State University. It's good thing I didn't destroy this one. What did this inside? How can I get this? just one side of the certificate. The other one's still there. Trapped. Oh, I might destroy this one. I should have opened the front. I think I have to open the front side. Try again. There, look at that. That's the address. I think I have a nail color. Can you post? Almost done. Almost that much. Okay. This one, Professor Cynthia Morales. Okay. So there's the. We're going to get this one again. It's harder than the other one. Kanina ko parang madali lang ito kanina. Ay, hindi. Random. Paano natin kinuha yun? Hindi. Madali na, madali na.
May ako dito repair.
Ha?
Repair na gunting.
Tapos na, nakuha ng kaya lang.
Maliit lang yun eh.
If I can get this one, this certificate, it's ready. Okay, it will be okay. Should have wrote something else. Ouch! Ouch! OMG! Oh. There. Yes. Let's go. Okay. Thanks God, my certificate is safe. Thank you, Romblon State University, for this wonderful recognition. I almost destroyed it. Oh, certificate of recognition is awarded to Professor Cynthia Morales, Summer State University, in grateful acknowledgement and sincere appreciation for the invaluable services rendered as lead accreditor. During the conduct of the ACOP online program accreditation for sole visit of the Bachelor of Elementary Education program of the RSU main campus held on October 10 to 14, 2022. This certificate is a manifestation of the institution's gratitude for selflessly extending commendable October 2022 at Romblon State University, Udyungan, Romblon. Thank you. There's something inside. Thanks God, the certificate is safe. Okay, now let's come to the next. Oh, what's this? There's so many. Mga ano lang yun. Parang pampasikip lang yun. So, I can already. Okay. Oh, so it's pampasikip. Tama ba ako? Yes. Pampasikip lang. And now, and finally now, I've successfully opened the. Okay, after getting this from the wooden box, you are now going to see what is inside the carton. And this is now the token I am waiting for. I hope is safe and abdominals. Okay, it's very cool. Wow, it's beautiful. Wow, a marble. Marble. What's this? Flower base? Oh, thank you, Romblon State University, for this wonderful token. I love you all. I'm very happy to receive this one. From the bottom of my heart, my sincerest gratitude to all of you. Thank you. It's beautiful. Ang ganda-ganda. This is okay. Inside. Okay. I think this is a flower vase. That's all, folks. Thank you for watching my scene vlogs channel. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Scene Vlogs. Goodbye. Have a happy day, everyone.